Risk assessment. Controlling dangers at work is no different from tackling any other task. You need to recognize the problem, decide who might be hurt and how seriously, decide what needs to be done to prevent harm, and put the solutions into practice. This risk-based approach will help you to manage the health and safety of your employees and get the balance right between the size of any health and safety problems you may have and what has to be done about them. You should consult with your employees when doing your risk assessments, as they are most familiar with their workplace and their work activities. There are 3 basic steps to risk assessment. Step 1. Look at the hazards. Take a pen and paper. Start at the entrance and work your way through your workplace. In each area, have a good look at the workplace and the work that is being done. Look at the tools, equipment, materials, and the work methods. Write down what can cause harm to people. These are the hazards. Step 2. Decide who might be harmed and how. For each hazard, ask yourself, how could somebody be harmed and how likely is it to happen? Then ask, what would the severity of the injury or ill health be? Now look at the precautions that you already have in place. These are your control measures. Step 3. Evaluate the risks and decide whether the existing control measures are adequate or whether more needs to be done. Assess the level of risk. For example, low, medium, or high. Decide if you need to put additional control measures in place or amend the system of work. Talk to your employees and put the control measures in place. Check on a regular basis that the controls are working. You must record your findings and review your risk assessments regularly.